After an 18-month hiatus, the popular musical returned to Broadway to a sellout audience. But tonight's performance was suddenly canceled when the producers announced breakthrough COVID cases were detected among members of the cast. Refunds were promised, but it was a big disappointment for those hoping to see the show.
We were just so excited to go to Broadway, and we came up to the ticket, and they were like, "Oh, it's not happening tonight." I think because of COVID. I'm a nurse, so it's kind of frustrating.
As for the state mandate to get vaccinated or get fired, the numbers are edging upwards, but not quite there yet. 87% of hospital workers throughout the state have now received at least one dose of the vaccine.
People who had to go off salary Monday and Tuesday have thought about it and decided that the right thing to do is to get vaccinated.
Delighted that her mandate is working, Governor Hochul tweeted that since her mandate went into effect, 0 healthcare facilities across the state have been reported closed. She said she was grateful to facilities, unions, and healthcare workers who took important steps to prepare and protect New Yorkers. The state mandate also applies to nursing homes, which is opting to grant unvaccinated workers leaves of absence rather than outright termination. 92% of staffers reportedly have been vaccinated, but the 8% still lacking the shot represents thousands of workers whose absence is impacting the nursing facilities.
You have a nursing home with 4 nurses on the night shift, and 1 or 2 of them refuse to be vaccinated. That is a 25 or 50% cut in your staff, which is dramatic.
As the state deals with health workers, the city is pushing teachers and school staff to get vaccinated or be out of a job come Monday. The Department of Education reports 89% of school employees have received at least one shot, 92% of teachers, 97% principals. The COVID pandemic has turned the friendly skies of United Airlines unfriendly to its employees who are not vaccinated. Almost 600 now face being fired. Amidst the negative news, there is a further glimmer of hope that we're coming out of this pandemic. 2 of Manhattan's largest hotels, the New York Hilton on 6th Avenue and the Grand Hyatt, are planning to reopen within the next 2 months. In yet another development, YouTube is firing a salvo at the vaccine naysayers, immediately banning false claims that vaccines are dangerous and cause health issues. Now, city and state officials, they're hoping more workers will decide to get vaccinated in the next couple of days, and they're reminding teachers and all school employees that unless they get vaccinated by 5 o'clock Friday, they will not be allowed in city schools on Monday. They'll be terminated. In the newsroom, I'm Marvin Scott.